In this episode, I will show you the 3 best skateboard ramps in 2022. Before proceeding to the video, subscribe to my channel for future updates. Let's get started. On number 1 we have 1080 launch ramp set, made from a high-impact polymer that will hold up despite thrashing, with non-slip rubber feet and a textured finish to keep your wheels well planted. Wedge shape is ideal for beginners to hone their skills, get big air, and master tricks without the intimidation of taller ramp heights with steep ramp surface radiuses. Smooth radius for big airs and a textured slip-resistant finish provide safety without compromising fun. Ramp provides safe fun for scooter, skateboard, bike, and inline skate riders. On number 2 we have Graw Jump Ramp G20 Pro. A Graw jump ramp is what you need to fly higher. Made in curved plywood, the Graw jump ramps pop up like no other jump ramp. Wood is elastic and offers more flexibility for higher jumps. Their sturdy design comes in a compact size. Light and easy to carry, the Graw jump ramp fits everywhere, even on your skateboard. Available in different sizes and models for skaters of any level. Graw is a brand born in 1984 in Italy. On number 3 we have Graw Jump Ramp G35. For expert riders with 14 height, the G35 jump ramp is the Graw's most popular article, sold worldwide. With 22 pounds of weight, it is easily transportable by hand. It also fits in any trunk. The wood of the G35 is mixed birch wood with poplar. It has 15 layers for 0.79 thickness. The width of 19.7 is standard for all G-series by Graw jump ramps. The metal plate is delivered for easy assembly, following the instructions, using the attached screws and hexagonal key. So these are some of the best ramps for skateboard to buy in 2022. If you enjoyed our video, leave a like and subscribe to my channel for future updates.